Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about how to set up Canon TR4700 printer. Follow the ongoing instruction and don't skip the video. Like, share and subscribe the channel. Setting up a Canon TR4700 printer involves several steps, including unboxing, hardware setup, ink installation, connecting to a power source, initializing the printer, and installing the necessary software on your computer.
On how to use these features.
Here's a step-by-step guide.
Remember to keep the printer's software up to date by periodically
Carefully
checking
remove
for
the
driver
printer from its
updates on the
packaging.
Canon website.
Ensure that all
If you
included
encounter
components
any
are
issues
present,
during setup,
including the printer,
refer to the
power
printer's
cord,
manual
ink
or
cartridges,
contact Canon
setup
customer
CD,
support
and
for
any
assistance.
documentation. 2. Hardware setup. Place the printer on a flat, stable surface near a power outlet and your computer. Remove any packaging materials and protective tapes from the printer. 3. Ink installation. Open the ink cartridge access door. Wait for the cartridge holder to move to the cartridge replacement position. Unpack the ink cartridges and remove the protective tape. Insert them into their respective slots, following the color-coded labels and ensuring they click into place. 4. Power connection. Connect one end of the power cord to the printer and the other end to a power outlet. Turn on the printer by pressing the power button. 5. Initializing the printer. Once the printer is powered on, the LCD screen will display initialization prompts. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your language, country, date, and time. 6. Paper loading. Slide out the paper input tray and adjust the paper guides to fit the size of the paper you're using. Load a stack of plain paper into the tray, making sure it's aligned properly and not overloaded. 7. Software installation. Insert the setup CD included with the printer into your computer's CD/DVD drive. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the printer drivers and software. If your computer doesn't have a CD/DVD drive, you can download the drivers and software from the Canon website. Visit the Canon support website, search for your printer model, TR4700, and download the appropriate drivers for your operating system. 8. Connection setup. During the software installation process, you'll be prompted to select the connection type. Choose either USB or wireless connection, depending on your preference. For a USB connection, connect the USB cable from the printer to your computer when prompted. For a wireless connection, follow the on-screen instructions to connect the printer to your Wi-Fi network. 9. Test print. Once the installation is complete, try printing a test page to ensure everything is working correctly. 10. Additional setup optional. Depending on your needs, you may want to set up additional features such as scanning, faxing, or mobile printing. Refer to the printer's manual or online resources for instructions on how to use these features. 11. Maintenance. Periodically check for firmware updates and install them to ensure optimal performance and compatibility with your computer's operating system. If you encounter any issues during setup or operation, refer to the printer's manual or contact Canon customer support for assistance. Call 1-833-321-1006.